domestic product. It is the final value of final goods and services produced in the domestic category of a country. GDP is calculated by price into quantity, where GDP equals to gross domestic product, P equals to market price, and Q equals to quantity of a final goods. Now, what is the difference between I will tell about the difference between final goods and intermediate goods. I have already given example of the cloth and cotton. Final goods and intermediate goods. Intermediate goods means which require further processing, which require processing for further use. For instance, there is a bike industry, and bike is a final product, but tire is an intermediate good. Final good, for instance, there is a bike industry, and bike is a final good, whereas tire is the intermediate good. Similarly, if we consider the example of cloth, then cotton will be an intermediate good and cloth is a final good. Clear? Difference is clear to all. Next concept is gross national product. It is the value of all goods and services produced in a given period of time, and it also includes net factor income earned from abroad. For example, residents of our country earn in abroad, and their income also included in a GNP. ठीक है, gross national product also called GNP. The only difference between the GDP and GNP is in a GNP we also include net capital income earned from abroad. GNP is gross national product. It is the value of all final goods and services produced in a given period of time, including net factor income also. Net factor income earned from abroad. For instance, if our residents of our country earn money in abroad, their income is also included in a GNP. So formula of GNP is equal to gross domestic product plus net factor income earned from abroad. GDP plus net factor income earned from abroad. The only difference in a GNP and GDP is in a GNP we also include the net factor income earned from the abroad, but in a GDP we consider only the value of goods and services produced in a domestic territory of a country. Next concept is net national product at market price. I already discussed with you about the depreciation. Depreciation is a decline in the value of good. For instance, if we use equipment in an industry, Then with the usage of the equipment, its value decline, which is called depreciation. Next concept है net national product है market price. Net national product at market price. It includes depreciation. Net national product at market price equal to GNP minus depreciation. Depreciation is the decline in the value of the product. For the calculation of gross domestic product, we calculate with GDP price multiplied by quantity. For a gross national product, the formula is GDP plus net factor income earned from abroad. Next concept, net national product at market price. This is obtained by subtracting the depreciation from the GNP. We obtain net national product at market price. Clear to all?
Yes.
First of all, national income is the total monetary value of all final goods and services produced in a period of 1 year. Next concept is first concept is gross domestic product. It is the monetary value of all goods and services produced in a domestic territory within a country. On the other hand, gross national product, it is the value of all goods and services produced in a year, including net factor income earned from abroad. Clear? Clear to
Yes, ma'am.
all?
Yes, ma'am.
Net national product at market price is equal to GNP minus depreciation. I already discussed with you about the depreciation. Depreciation is the decline in the value of good. For instance, if industry use equipment, with the usage, there is a decline in the value of the product. Then we subtract depreciation from GNP, we get net national product at market price. Domestic product at for factor cost or domestic income. Net domestic product at factor cost is also called domestic income. It is the aggregation of rent, wages and interest and profit. I already discussed with you about the resources. There are four resources in economics which are used for our production: land, labor, and capital. Next concept is net domestic product as factor cost. It is the aggregation of income. For instance, I have already discussed with the resources. There are four sources in economics: land, labor, capital, and interest. From land, we earn income in the form of rent. Labor or income in the form of wages. And on capital, there is an interest. And entrepreneurship get profit with their entrepreneurship. So net domestic product is a aggregation of rent, wages, interest, and profit. Now, dividend term. Dividend means a part of the income, a part of the profit which is distributed among the shareholders. डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगा एज अ डिविडेंड एंड रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट इज यूज्ड एज अ टू पे कॉर्पोरेशन टैक्स एंड there is a another term reserve fund which is left after distributing the income among the dividend profit among the dividend and after paying the corporation tax. Now domestic income includes dividend. Dividend is the total a part of the profit which is distributed among the shareholders, and undistributed profit is used to paying the corporation tax. Now imputed rent we calculate from we earn from a land. So it also includes mixed income, which is the income earned by small enterprises and traders. And it also includes income earned by public sector enterprises, and it also includes wages paid by the government to their employees, and also included saving affected by the LIC. So its formula is net domestic product at factor cost equals to rent plus compensation of employees or wages and salaries which are provided by the government to their employees. Interest, dividend is a part of a profit which is distributed among the shareholders. Corporation and other taxes, it is also a part of a profit. Reserve fund, mixed income is the income earned by a small enterprises, property and entrepreneurial income of the government, saving of the non-departmental organization. So it is the sum of all above terms which I discussed with you. Next concept is gross domestic product at factor cost. Gross domestic product at factor cost. When we add depreciation in the net domestic product at factor cost, we obtain gross domestic product at factor cost. So let's write domestic product at factor cost. When we add depreciation in the net domestic product at factor cost, factor cost is when we add depreciation in the net domestic product at factor cost, we obtain gross domestic product at factor cost. Next concept is net national product at factor cost or national income. National income I already discussed with you. It is a monetary value of all goods and services produced in a period of 1 year. Now it is equal to net domestic product at factor cost plus net foreign income from abroad. When there is a national include in a term, this means we also consider the income earned from abroad. So its formula is equal to net domestic product at factor cost plus net foreign income earned from abroad. Next is gross national product at factor cost. It is the summation of depreciation and net national product at factor cost. Then we obtain net gross national product at factor cost. Next is a private income. Private income obtained by the private sectors. So its formula is equal to national income plus transfer payment from the government. I already discussed about the transfer payment with you. What is a transfer payment? It is when person obtain money without doing anything, for instance scholarship and pension, plus current transfers from abroad, interest on the national debt, property and entrepreneurial income of the government, minus saving of the non-departmental organization, minus Social Security contribution. Private income is the income earned by a private sector from the various sources earned by the private enterprises. Personal income. Personal income is the total of the income received by the household. It is equal to private income minus undistributed profits of the corporation. Now, what is the undistributed profits? Which are used by the corporation, which are used by the firm to pay taxes minus retained earnings of the foreign companies. We get personal income. Students, clear to all?